Position full title is Fast Track Planner, and salary 70133 plus 11% superannuation. Are you eager to kickstart your career in urban planning and contribute to the vibrancy of one of the world's most diverse cities? The City of Melbourne invites you to be part of our team as a Fast Track Planner. Situated on the traditional lands of the Bunurong, Boon-wurrung, and Wurundjeri Woi-wurrung peoples, Melbourne stands tall as a beacon of diversity and opportunity. Join us in shaping its future as a proud member of the City of Melbourne's Planning and Building branch. As a fast-track planner, you'll play a crucial role in our team, responsible for providing responsive and high-quality urban planning services. This role offers opportunities for a 2-year contract, providing the perfect platform for your career takeoff. Our planning team works tirelessly to strike a balance between regulation and facilitating land use and development. Your contribution will promote growth, prosperity, and a vibrant atmosphere within the city. Reporting directly to the manager statutory planning, you'll be involved in processing planning applications, including Fast Track and VicSmart applications. Additionally, you'll provide essential planning advice to both internal and external stakeholders. What qualities are we seeking in our ideal candidate? An ongoing or completed tertiary course in planning and eligibility for student or graduate membership of PIA are crucial. You should possess a good understanding of planning processes and the ability to prepare comprehensive reports and recommendations. At the City of Melbourne, we invest in your growth and well-being. Enjoy career and self-development opportunities, paid volunteer leave, parental leave, well-being initiatives, and much more. To apply, visit melbournemercury.com.au and complete the online application form. Remember to attach your resume and a cover letter addressing the selection criteria. Interviews for this position will be conducted between January 15th and February 2nd, 2024. Be sure to submit your application before the deadline on January 5th, 2024. For further details, contact Nathaniel Mann at nathaniel.mann@melbourne.vic.gov.au. Join us at the City of Melbourne as a fast-track planner and embark on an exciting journey shaping the city's future. Apply now and be part of a team committed to making a difference. We can't wait to welcome you aboard. Take the leap and become a vital part of Melbourne's progressive planning initiatives.